All right, we also got a shipment in from Zamp today, and this is their new Obsidian line. Right here, we got a couple of specs. Why Zamp is so awesome. 25-year output warranty. Of course, handcrafted in Bend, killer place. It's got a new lower profile. I think on the back, maybe it shows the difference between the two sizes, which also adds to a lighter overall unit. Yeah, so here on the back, you can see right here, these were the old, and here's a photo of the old Zamp solar panels. Kind of boxy. It's a nice low profile. Over here on the table, we've got two of their Obsidian line solar panels. One is actually not available to the public. It's for OEM only. So it's these guys. These are great for the Airstreams in particular because of the tight spaces once you start piling up the air conditioners and the fans and all the openings on top. So these kind of sit in between a lot of tight spots on the roof. Yeah, we've got a live running shop in the background. We don't want you to think that we're just out here showing pictures of cool products. We actually install them too. So these are 100 watt, and that's 90 watts. Next level solar. It's pretty nice. Comes with some installation instructions.
Flip this thing over.
Yeah, plug and play. So it comes with wiring, the mounting. Yeah, these guys are ready to go. If you want nice low profile, lightweight solar panels made in the USA, check out Zamp's products and jump on our website. Yeah, perfect timing to do like the noisiest thing in the fucking shop.